Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So how have you been doing? How y'all doing? Today I've got this beautiful, very easy, so this is I'm doing a series on easy 15 minutes look, and today is going to be a glam version. So this look right here can be done in 15 minutes, and you know, it's really beautiful. I really love the way everything came out. Like, it's super gorgeous. Down to the hair, the earrings, guys. Are you feeling these earrings though? Are you feeling it? I'll leave the link to where I got these earrings from. It's super gorgeous. And I like the way everything came out. I feel super fly. And if you're in Nigeria, you would know that outside is opening up now. We have restaurants, clubs opening up. So this, guys, this I'm just giving you. If you have to go on a date, you have to go to the club, you have to go out with the girls, with the guys, this right here is a winner. We're loving it. We're loving it. So guys, if you want to see how I achieved this super gorgeous look, this very easy look, just keep watching. But before we get started, guys, did you think I forgot? Have you subscribed? All my village people that don't want me to get to 1,000 subscribers, we are not having that. Please do not forget to subscribe. Down below, that red button right there is completely free, completely free. Please do not forget to subscribe, leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and then leave your feedbacks in the comment section. I would like to interact with you guys. I would like to know what you think. I would like to know what you want from me next. Just let me know in the comment section. All right, okay, so let's get started, guys. Hey guys, okay, so let's get started. First things first, I'll be moisturizing my face, and because it was during the day, I'll be using the Dr. Murad Essential C moisturizer with SPF 20. Next, I'll be priming my face, and I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Now, because this is one of my, like I said earlier, this is a 15 minutes makeup look, so I usually start off with the skin. The skin is really important when you want to do like this really quick 15 minutes looks. I usually start off with the skin. So I'm also using a translucent powder around the middle of my face. That's to help with oil control. Now, for foundation, I'm using my hands to apply this, guys. I decided to try something new today, and I still ended up using a brush. I'm not really comfortable using my fingers to apply foundation, so I still ended up using a brush. But I'm using a mixture of I think this is the Lancome foundation and the Blackup mattifying foundation. I misplaced the footage, guys. So I mixed the Lancome foundation and the Blackup mattifying fluid foundation in number 10. The Lancome foundation, I think because it has SPF in it, or for whatever reason, it gives me this gray things. That's why I like to mix it with the Blackup. I really love the Blackup foundation though. Next, I'll be concealing, and I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way multi sculpting concealer in chestnut. This is very close to my skin color, or about my skin color, so I'll be using that first to just conceal before I highlight. So I'll use that on the points I want to okay, I'll blend that out. And I'm using I think this brush is from Cover FX. It's the foundation brush, and as usual, with this kind of looks, I end up using one brush for almost everything. So This is the Cover FX foundation brush. I really love this brush, guys. It is amazing. So I'll blend that out, and then I'll use the Blackup No Transfer Concealer, and this is in a lighter shade. I think this is in 2B. Yeah, in 2B. No Transfer Concealer. I really love this concealer because, like I always say this, I have lines on my under eye, and those lines tend to crease up a lot, but with this concealer I don't get that. So I really love this concealer, guys. It is amazing, and the undertone is superb. I mean, the undertone is just perfect. It has a perfect yellow undertone, so I really love this. It's so lightweight as well. So I'll use that same brush to blend everything out. Blend till I'm satisfied with, till I'm satisfied that everything looks very smooth and seamless, which is very important, guys. And I think with brushes it's a whole lot faster to blend out. I don't know, that for me anyways. I prefer brushes to beauty blender. That doesn't mean, I guess I'm just, so used to brushes. But use whatever works for you, guys. If you work better with, if the beauty blender works better for you, then by all means use it. I just prefer brushes. So I'll make sure everything is well blended out. I'll basically blend till I'm satisfied with the way everything looks. And then I'll set the highlighted part of my face using the Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder. I'll just put a little on the cover of the powder, the little bit that I'll be using, and I'm going to be using the powder puff to do this. We'll just use that powder puff to press that powder into my skin. Then using another translucent powder, this is the Laura Mercier medium deep setting powder. I'll use this to set the rest of my face with a powder brush. Now I know everything looks like really light right now, but oh wow, you guys should just bear with me. Like, everything will come together real soon. Anyway, I'm just baking right now. Then next I'll be going into my Fenty Beauty bronzer, and this is what I will use to contour my face. You guys know I love this bronzer, so I'll be using that to contour my face, just around the perimeters of my face. Anyway, guys, so while we are still contouring our face, I was thinking of doing showing you guys a video on how to contour for different face type, if different face shape rather. Now guys, if this is something you want to see, please let me know in the comment section. I don't know if you guys want to see it, but I was thinking of showing you guys how to contour for different face shape, because what works for the shape of my face might not necessarily work for the other person. So let me know what you think, guys. And I'll just use the powder brush to just smoothing everything out because we don't want any harsh lines. Next, I'll just clean up the contour. I'm just carving out the contour to make everything look really, structured and all that. So I did my eyebrows off camera. That was really fast. And then I concealed as well. So whatever concealer is left, whatever concealer I used to clean up my eyebrows, I just put that on my eyelid. And I'm smoothing it out with this brush. Next, I'll set it in with a translucent powder. Because I'm not doing any eyeshadow, I'm just using the I'm just setting the concealer. I don't want it to, what's the word, I don't want it to start creasing up on me. So as usual, when you use a foundation or any cream or liquid products on your face, you always have to set it with a powder, and that's basically what I just did on my eyelid. Then next, I'm setting my brows, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel to just set my brows in place. Now I'm going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I'm using that brown shade there and a small brush from Morphe, and I'm just going to smudge this under my eye, on the bottom part of my eye. I'm not using any eyeshadow on my lid, but I'm just smudging this brown shade on the bottom lash line. That's it for the eyes. Like, that's all I'm doing for the eyes. As you guys know, I really love to smudge eyeshadows on that. It just gives you this really beautiful, I don't know, it comes up looking really pretty. And then another thing is, if you have lines under your eyes, this is the best way to just disguise it. Really, guys, like, I'm giving you guys my trick right now. So I'll just smudge this brown shade on my bottom lash line. So next, I'll be going into my Queen of Hearts palette from Colored Rain, and I'm just taking that orange shade there with a flat fluffy brush. I'll just add that on my bottom lash line. Nothing serious, I just want to give that, I just like that orange shade, so I'm using that to soften that brown shade. And that's it, guys, that's it for the eyes. So now I'm using my mascara. As usual, I always use my mascara before false lashes. Like, that's the must for me, guys. So I'm not even using liner on my lid. I'll just use mascara on my eyelashes, the top and the bottom part. And I like to do mascara before lashes. It helps everything just sit perfectly well. Next, I'll just brush out any excess what do they call it, loose powder, and then I'm highlighting, and I use the Blackup Sublime light powder in number 4, I think. Yeah, number 4. That's what I use for highlight. And with my tested and trusted Morphe brush, I really love this brush. This highlighter brush from Morphe. It's amazing, guys. I would highlight basically everywhere, but I don't really go crazy on highlighters, and that's because I have texture on my skin, so I don't really go crazy on highlighters. Next, I go into my Morphe brush palette, and I'm using that beautiful deep orange shade there, and I'll just basically use the blush everywhere as well. Guys, I really love blushes, and because blushes are usually the first thing to fade in your makeup, I tend to go a bit crazy with blushes. Just bear with me, guys. And then the last thing in this, oh, that's not the last thing actually, I'm still going to do my false lashes off camera, but the next step will be the lip. and because this is the Glam version, I'll be using a bright red lipstick. So I'll first line my lip using the MAC Cosmetic lip liner, and this is in the shade Sherry. Guys, I've had this lip liner for a really long time. I really love the color. And not everybody's bold enough to, you know, rock this lip color, but I really love it. I really love the way it looks. So I'll use this to outline my lip. And guys, can we talk about the henna though? Like, I really love this. I really love the henna. As you know, we just celebrated Salah like a couple of days ago actually. And I had to do this. Guys, it's so gorgeous. It's so beautiful. I really love it. So I'll be using the Fenty Beauty lip stunna. I'll leave a description. I'll leave the list of everything I use in the description box. So I just use this Fenty Beauty lipstick, red lipstick, and that's it for the looks, for the look rather, guys. I really love the way everything came out. Okay, that's it for the look, guys. So I'll be doing my lashes off camera. So until my next video, please subscribe, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment sections, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.